Emergency funds, why you need one and how to build it. Welcome back to our budgeting tips series. In this lesson, we're diving into a crucial topic, building an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and an emergency fund is your financial safety net. Let's explore why you need one and how to start building it today. What is an emergency fund? An emergency fund is a stash of money set aside for unforeseen expenses, things like medical bills, car repairs, or even sudden job loss. It's your first line of defense against financial shocks, helping you avoid high-interest debt. Why is an emergency fund important? An emergency fund offers 3 key benefits. 1. Financial security. It reduces stress by preparing you for unexpected costs. 2. Debt prevention. You won't need to rely on credit cards or loans. 3. Peace of mind. You can focus on your goals without constant financial worry. Setting a savings goal. Start by setting a savings goal. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. If you're just starting, set smaller milestones like $500 or $1,000 to build momentum. Opening a separate savings account. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular accounts. Look for a high-yield savings account to earn interest while keeping your money accessible. Automating savings. Automate your savings. Set up regular transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. Even small amounts like $50 per week can add up to $2,600 in a year. Cutting non-essential expenses. Free up money for your emergency fund by cutting non-essential expenses. Redirect these savings to your fund and watch it grow faster. Using windfalls wisely. When you receive windfalls like tax refunds or bonuses, use them to boost your emergency fund. It's a quick way to reach your goal. Reviewing and adjusting contributions. Review your contributions regularly. If your income increases or you pay off debt, consider boosting your savings rate. Stay flexible, but don't lose sight of your goal. Here's your action plan. 1. Set a goal to save 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. 2. Open a separate high-yield savings account for your fund. 3. Automate regular transfers to your emergency fund. 4. Cut non-essential expenses and redirect those savings. 5. Use windfalls like tax refunds to reach your goal faster. 6. Review and adjust your contributions as needed. Building an emergency fund is one of the best ways to achieve financial security and peace of mind. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll create a robust safety net for life's surprises. Join us tomorrow as we discuss how to save on groceries without sacrificing quality. See you then. Ready to secure your financial future? Visit our website below and also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tools.